Google Maps is so much more than just a means to find directions from one location to another. I'm going to take you on the tour of Google Maps by clicking on the menu stripes and choosing Take a Tour. Points out that there's a search menu here. I can type in a location and do a search, get that information pulled up right onto my screen immediately, and have all that information available. I can search by name of place, by address, etc. If I want to get directions, I can click on the little blue arrow that's pointing to the right, and I can type in the address or the locations where I'm going to start and end, and then I can select the means with which I will be traveling to the location. I can print, share, and see traffic and more. So I would click the main menu, and then I can look for traffic. So here I can see there are some slowdowns right around the village, etc. And here's my key: fast, all the way down to probably not slow, but stopped. I can actually drive into Street View. Click the yellow peg man, and now I can drop him onto the map and enter right into Street View. And I can look around and see I'm in the parking lot here outside of the waving brick fence. I can continue with some more tips. I can see where I am on the map, and to do that I simply can click this, and if I have given Google permission to use my location, it will drop that onto the screen, and here's where I can learn about how to give Google that permission. I can see the world in satellite and 3D simply by using this icon here, and that doesn't put me into Street View, but it gives me that satellite view of what this is looking like all around here. And I can see, is that the test track there at the Dearborn Proving Grounds? Here's the Greenfield Village store. Here we are in the actual village itself. And if I sign in to my account, I'll get better info because it will be giving me info based on my previous use of Google Maps. So if I want to learn more, as it just told me in that final tip, I can come on to here and I can come down here to tips and tricks. And tips and tricks is great because it will tell me all these things: how to print the map, how to measure distances, great for math lessons, find coordinates if I'm looking perhaps for something based on latitude and longitude, or want to know the latitude and longitude of the locations I'm visiting. I can find things that are nearby, and I can even contribute to these maps. So then there are even more that will help me here. So when you're ready to learn, be sure to use the menu here, take your own tour, and be sure to check out the tips and tricks.